The first new Ford Capris is almost 4 decades are swaggering onto the streets of Marseille to start a new chapter in the history of a cult classic. First introduced in 1969 to bring affordable sports coupe style and performance to customers in Europe, Capri was already a motoring iconic by the end of production in 1986. In that time, more than 1.8 million units were produced. The Capri is a coupe-style variant of an all-electric Ford Explorer available in Europe. Both models are built on the Volkswagen Group's MEB platform, making the Capri the counterpart of the Volkswagen ID.5, while the Explorer mirrors the ID.4. This modern Capri marks a significant shift from the original, which was a true Ford sharing its mechanical roots with the Cortina. The Capri measures 4,634 mm in length, 2,063 mm in width, and 1,626 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,770 mm. Depending on the specification, its curb weight ranges from 2,023 kg to 2,115 kg. Ford claims a turning circle as tight as 9.7 meters for the rear-wheel drive Capri, an impressive figure for a car of the size. While often overlooked, this makes a noticeable difference in everyday maneuvering, especially in tight urban spaces. Visually, the Capri sets itself apart from the Explorer with more than just its sloping roofline. It features a unique front end highlighted by distinctive LED headlights inspired by the Mk3 Capri and a contrasting wraparound grille that adds a retro touch. A design cue echoed at the rear for added nostalgic appeal. Inside, the cabin closely mirrors that of the Explorer. It includes a 14.6-inch central touchscreen that slides back to reveal a hidden storage compartment, a spacious 17-liter mega console between the front seats, and a foldable boot floor that expands the luggage capacity to up to 527 liters. electric Ford Capri is available in two variants. The rear-wheel drive model features a single electric motor producing 286 horsepower and 545 Newton meters of torque. Paired with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery, it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 6.4 seconds and offers a WLTP rated range of up to 627 kilometers. The all-wheel drive Ford Capri is equipped with dual electric motors delivering a combined output of 340 horsepower and 545 Newton meters of torque. It features a slightly larger 79 kilowatt-hour battery. This variant accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 5.3 seconds and offers a WLTP range of up to 592 kilometers. Both Capri versions have a top speed electronically limited to 180 kilometers an hour. Despite differing DC fast charging capabilities, 135 kilowatt for the rear-wheel drive model and 185 kilowatt for all-wheel drive, charging times from 10% to 80% are nearly identical, 28 minutes and 26 minutes respectively. Production of the revived Capri will take place in Cologne, Germany. Pricing for the rear-wheel drive variant starts at €51,950, making it €2,450 more expensive than the base version of the Explorer.